Good morning, optimists. Today is Monday, September 18th, 2023, and there are some changes to my online system, so I'm just getting adjusted with those. Audio share system. Interesting. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't share audio? What the hell? Oh, okay. I have to click it, select it. It's kind of a weird edit. They made some weird edits. I couldn't even get the share link to this thing, so I don't know why it was weird, but it was. In any case, hey, what's up, Kevin? Good to see you. So we did make one trade. It turned out to be a much larger move right here. And you can see this trend reversal is pulling up really nicely. You can see this 5200 crossover is very close. Did get a big drop off of that from the volume weighted average price. We get that rejection there. This turned out to be a much larger move. I only took a 3 and 3 just for a feeler trade. So we're up about $100 in the day, but this turned out to be a much larger move. But you can see we're really close. We're at 94.42 versus 95.49. So it's about $1 difference on that. TTM's up at 1.3. So very close to the trend reversal there. If you take a look at this on the 10-second chart, you see we're also close to that crossover, which is at about 93.65. Looks like 93.87 and 94.95. So pretty good. Pretty close here. It's gonna attempt for a 3 and 7, but I don't think that we're quite there yet. I'm gonna try to be patient. Wow, nice big pop back. 93.25 all the way to 95. I look for an entry here. Get a little pullback right here.
Order filled.
Got an entry at 94.50. Look for an exit at 96.25. Kind of hitting 95 with a little bit of resistance there. I'm definitely early to the party here. Ooh, big drop. A little early to this party. Volatility today, at least in the open, at least in this first half hour. We hit 95.50. Go for 96.25. There's 95.50 again. Might go for less. Yeah, it's kind of like not ready yet. I feel like this breakout's gonna happen before the cross, though. Got that full 7. Music's a little loud for me. Full 7, so that puts us up 357 on the day. Almost to our goal. Kind of top tick that. That's awesome. Very close to this crossover here. Might go for like 5. Pullback happen. See, we had some resistance right here at 97, 97.25 area. Pullback and immediate rip, and then immediate pullback. Wow, kind of pretty volatile. 95.50. Went for 12 ticks up to 98. So we're going for a breakthrough VWAP on the CTM momentum here. As well as this 10-second cross. 96.75. I think this 10-second cross to happen here. We get it. There's 97. My heart's kind of pounding a little bit. $7.75. Hands over the cover button. I'm gonna cut it there. So I think I got 4 ticks off that. 498 today. So I didn't pull the 97. There it is. Into resistance a little bit of a VWAP. The TTM is at 2.1, 2.2. We got 9 above the 200 here. So it's looking pretty solid for this breakout to happen. But we also have these rejections a little bit before we went average prices, so I don't want to get caught up in a contract dump here. It doesn't look like it's going to happen. It looks like it's going to break out, but it's early. You know what I mean? Listen, man. What up, Cam? Yeah, ask your questions. Happy to answer whatever I can. BT Dubs, I want to say thank you to all of our new subscribers. We gained about 15 subscribers over the weekend or something like that. So thank you guys very much. We're very grateful to have you all here. Feel free to ask whatever questions you want to ask. I'm more than happy to offer whatever advice or information. I'm not going to say advice because I don't want to get in trouble. But whatever information I can to help make better decisions. If that makes sense. So we had a big pullback there to 93.50. I'm kind of glad I cut that, took that profit. It's just a little volatile for this crossover. I don't know why it's not happening just yet, but I think it's just going to take a little bit of time. TTM's at 2.0, so it's kind of declining a little bit more than what we'd want to see. And this is a little bit of the contract dump that I was describing that I didn't want to get caught up in. So it really does look like we're going to get a breakout or at least a test of the VWAP. But with this rejection here of VWAP and this rejection here of VWAP, it does make it a little bit sketchy. So mark these out. There. So we have those 2 rejections. Whether or not this crossover actually happens, let's take a look at it on the longer term chart though. You can see the 3-minute up here. So even if we do get this crossover, we're going to be running into resistance at 45.01. Probably about 4,500. We got the top of the Bollinger Band up there at 4,500. Just a little under. Let's take a look at the 5. 5 is getting a lot of decline on the TTM. And it's a lot of rejection there. Going back to that 93 area. I already made my profit target on the day, so profit target is 400 to make 500. So we're good there. So I definitely don't want to give any of that back. Good to see you. Late morning. Late morning for you? Got up and did the dog walk, huh? Oh, is the music loud? I'm sorry about that. I thought I had it, the levels right. Oh, yeah, you're right. Sometimes it's just weird. Like, it'll display the correct number, but like it's so funny. I have to have it a 5 in order for this thing to work. To real sound right. But um, sometimes I place it at a 5 and it's really loud. I felt like I was like kind of yelling a little bit too, and I thought I was on my side. So getting a lot of pullback off that rejection there. I didn't mean to put this at a 3 minute or a 1 minute. Looking a little bearish on the 3 minute side. Whoa! Y'all see that? Look at that. From 92 to 96 in seconds. Yo! That was crazy. I didn't see that coming. That was 3,500 contracts in 10 seconds or less. Sounds like an ad. Dude, that was nuts. Wow, what a rip. I wish I could have got a piece of that. I just did not see that coming. That bounce from 92 to 96 in like under 10 seconds. That's crazy. Now I don't even know what to do. Are we finally getting this trend reversal? Is that what's up? I'd watch out for resistance at 4,500. Which is not much above the VWAP. So we got above the VWAP with that rip. I don't feel like I trust it. Just because like that rip was so heavy and so fast, I don't know that I trust this. It looks like it's gonna keep on ripping, but I don't know, man. Yeah, we gained a lot of subscribers this weekend. So like I said, thank you guys very much. Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Tiny. Please feel free to join our Discord. There's all kinds of awesome conversations that take place there. It's hard to trade on a phone, honestly. Like, it's like, I've traded on an iPad before. It's better than a phone, but it's still whack. In my opinion. I mean, some people might love it, but. So we're up 498 on the day. This massive rip here got me all like flustered. I'm gonna drop down to 5 ticks. And we pulled back to about 96 and bounced off that up to 98. And we're continuing to push up. Weird market today because there's not that much economic reports going on. We're up here at 4,500, which I labeled as a resistance zone. And it's kind of just pushing through it a little bit. Not much, but kind of missed this whole move right here. Missed this too. I just didn't trust this. Like, for all I knew, this thing was just going to rip up like this and just rip right back down, which I've seen happen a million times. High up there is 4507, but when we look at this on like the 3 minute, you can see we're running into the 3 minute resistance here at 4501 basically. 3 minutes switched over to cyan. It's really flat on TTM. I wouldn't call it cyan, it's flat, but 5,200 cross on the 1 minute side. You might see a pullback to about like 98. A pullback to 98 would look pretty decent. Basically to the 9 EMA and a bounce off that would look really good. TTM sitting at 3.0. Massive volatility today. Be very careful. I don't know why there's so much volatility. There's not much on the economic calendar. Here's some pullback, so this might be a decent entry point. I want to see more pullback than this though. Like maybe if we can get to like three minute pullback would be very nice. I don't know if we're gonna get that opportunity. Kind of wish I grabbed this one right here, this off this VWAP bounce. There's the second candle. I see 99, but let's peek at 175. I feel sketchy going long here. I don't know. Something feels weird. Cam had a question, but I didn't ever see it come through. If y'all have questions, just drop them in the chat. I'm more than happy to help. We're asking the Discord community. So we had 2 minute pullback, slight bounce off the 9, but I don't trust it just yet. We've got double blue on the TTM here. There is the 5,200 cross. All right, I'm gonna try to take a long off 98.50, take it out at 97.75 or 99.75. I said 97. I don't like it. I'm gonna just try and get out with a single tick.
Order filled.
Went up to 99. Actually went up to 99 and a quarter, but looks like the trade would have worked out potentially. It tapped my original sell. Hit 99.50. Up 526 on the day. So I guess it was a decent trade, but really sort of the hesitancy on it was what made me get out with that single tick, because it sort of hesitated a little bit longer than I expected it to. I would expect this to pump back up towards the top of the Bollinger Band at 45.0150. But I might actually just walk away for the day because I've already got my profit and then some. My trail max is at 1869, so obviously I've had the account much higher than where it's at right now, but the moment the account's green. That actually turned into a pretty nice trade, so the def would have worked out how I intended it to. Just needed to be a little bit more patient, but I don't know. I was a bit sketchy because of the volatility on that candle. So I don't know if I'd call it the volatility. It was really because it was flashing between blue and cyan. Sometimes, man, they just dump, especially if they're not well above VWAP. You're watching options today for the SPY? Where's all the options contracts sitting on today? We're getting sort of this 7:30 reversal. There's not much on the economic calendar. Take a look here. Well, I guess there is the housing market index, which is a pretty important report. It's kind of medium importance. We got a 3-month bill, 6-month bill. And then we've got foreign bond investment, net long-term TIC flows, and overall net capital flows. Everything's kind of just of medium importance today. The housing market index one I think is a little bit more important. NAHB, Wells Fargo Housing Market Index, HMI, is based on a monthly survey of home builders. They're asked to rate current sales of single-family houses and sales expectations for the next 6 months, and to rate traffic of prospective buyers. Scores for responses to each component are used to calculate a seasonally adjusted overall index, where a number over 50 indicates more builders view sales and conditions as good than poor. They should have added a rather in there, but hey, whatever. Prior was 50, so it was flat. Forecast was 50, forecast was flat. The actual ended up being 45, so a little bit down from the 50 marker, because they view 50 more or less as their own VWAP. So down 10%. You can see it March 31st, 2020. It was at a 30 and eventually ended up hitting an 85 at the top of October 2020. And pretty much remained very high for a while. We did hit 35 in December of 22. And we've topped out at 56. You can see the downward trend is beginning to form on that line chart there, though. So it all personal, like my own personal preference, I would not mind seeing I don't necessarily want to see a real estate crash, not yet. I think I'd rather see sort of a real estate decline than a crash, personally. You just watch the whole chain and see where the most volume is. Makes sense. You can see that resistance that we were running along 4,500. It's kind of popping up above it and then pulling back. It's popping up and pulling back. But the 9 is like we're getting good divergence on the moving averages. So this actually kind of looks like a flag that could pop up to about 4,503. If we take a look at the 3-minute chart, we're basically just running into resistance at that moving average there. Where's the top of this band? 4501.75, and the 200 moving average at 4501. Grab on the 10-second chart. We're getting a nice little reversal right now. So I put this little marker here at 4501. Let's take a look at the 20-second chart. This has nice divergence here. We're kind of operating in a tight range. So I kind of feel like I shouldn't take trades at this particular point in time. Although this one here, I really wish I let run a little bit, but but that's okay. And this one here, I was scared to take. Like I saw it there, I saw it inbound, but I was scared to take it because of this massive candle that just showed up out of nowhere. So I was scared to take this trade, so I just decided not to. And then this one here, I got scared out of the trade. Really, this whole run right here made me feel sketchy. kind of put me on edge, if you will. All in all today, we pulled out $526.50. We paid $36 in fees. We've kind of been treading water a little bit on this particular evaluation overall, but I think we're still doing okay. Our accuracy, we've lost 14 trades. We've won 36 trades. We got a 72% win rate. So it's pretty good, but we need to keep our losses smaller. Our average losing trade is 258.57, too high. And our average win trade is 111. So we need to flip those numbers around. Looks like we're about to get a pullback. So we'll see how far this pulls back to. Well, we might get a nice bounce here in the next like 5 minutes. So that was a little flag that did pop up. Hit that 45.01.75 almost exactly. Which was right where the top of the Bollinger Band was on the 3-minute chart. And it was about a 12-tick pullback. Nothing major, nothing huge. Kind of normal movement. Average volume's at 3,700. And these candles, since that big candle printed, these candles have been steadily declining on volume. So about 3,000. And moving down to about 2,500. I'm not sure if that's going to be end up being that this is accumulation or what, but nice bounce there from 98 up to 4,500. What it is, pawn. NQ flag breaking down. I'm just gonna check in with y'all because I haven't been watching the comments. Been yammering on about the home price index and all that jazz, or home market index. Let's see. Watch for a dip or rip. That's what I'm talking about, because I saw that like a couple massive candles just like rip up, and then I'm just like, because it rips so big so fast, I'm a little scared that it's just gonna rip down the other way just as fast. Yeah, exactly. Buyers have not been able to squeeze it yet. You got filled on 442 and $10 green, but if not, $5 risk, not bad. Is that in your live account, Tiny? ES is sort of like ranging in getting stuck under this 4,500 zone. I think it's a pretty crucial zone because, in all honesty, this could just as easily just break down. This rip right here, this really surprised me, and I kind of wish I let this one run. But this one here really surprised me. I did not expect that to rip as fast and heavy as it did. I thought we'd see a little bit of a transitory move before the rip. I feel like if I stick around, I'm going to start boredom trading. And my accuracy will go down. So I might just walk away with my 526.50 today. Coming up on 7:30. So I don't know. It looks to me more bullish, but I feel like we might get a rip at 7:30. I like how you put this. When I thought I understood options, I like how you put that. By the way, y'all, thank you very much, all the new subscribers. Said we gained about 15 subscribers over the weekend. So I want to say thank you guys. I really do appreciate you. Please join us up in our Discord community. We'd love to have you all in there. I think I'm gonna call it. Just I think I'm gonna only stay like waiting around for that 7:30 marker to see what happens in 1 minute from now. I've been a nice short there for about 8 ticks. 2 points. About 30 seconds to that 7:30 mark. If nothing happens there, then I would expect 7:45 to have some more going on for it. Although this was decent amount of volume just leading up to it. $50 moving average is working its way above the volume weighted average price. And here's 7:30 right here. Kind of been sitting out a little bit. Little bounce off the EMA 35. I don't know if I trust this. We got a lot of decline on the TTM. We've got the 9 and 12 sort of battling each other. We're still technically bullish, but I don't know. It did pull back to the 50 and bounce. TTM's at 0.6 on the 1 minute side. Yeah, it sort of seems to me like we could very easily see a big contract dump, and that's one of the reasons why I'm thinking that I might just walk away with my profit. I think I'm going to. I'm taking my money and run. There was a nice bounce off that though. Look at that. From 98 back up to 4,500. Another 2 points. Sort of ranging in this 2-point range. I'm still gonna just walk away though. Taking my 526 and calling it. So thank y'all for being here. I'm gonna jump up in the Discord community, write my reflection, my results. I think I only took 3 trades, but it doesn't take much. We took four trades. So nice bounce there. Switching back to cyan as well. So, and there's that just continued resistance right at that same spot, the 4501. So, yep. Waiting for the breakdown to bust through, then retest. Probably short for the rest of the day. I am done. Much love and appreciation, y'all. Thank you again to the new subscribers. Join up in our Discord community. We'd love to see you there. I don't know why I couldn't get the link today to share this. So I'll see what's up with that. They updated the system over the weekend, and now it's weird. So it is what it is. All right, y'all. We'll see you tomorrow, and probably be earlier than 7:30. I've been jumping on more like 6:45, 6:50 area. So I don't trade the exact open. It's usually a little bit after. So, but yeah, I'm gonna jump off here. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.